Hello, you are welcome to another special topic on organic poultry farming. Bush cherry leaf. Do you know what we call bush cherry? Do you have it in your region? All this I want to know on the comment section. How to boost poultry growth and immunity with bush cherry leaf. This bush cherry leaf, when we are young, we used to go to the bush and pluck it. The fruit is wonderful. It is very powerful fruit. But here we are discussing the leaf, how to make use of the leaf in boosting the poultry, birds, and livestock animals. No more drugs. This is natural breakthrough for your poultry and livestock animals. How to boost poultry growth and immunity with bush cherry leaf. No more drugs. Natural breakthrough for your poultry and livestock animals. As organic poultry and livestock farming continues to gain ground across the globe, farmers are shifting focus to natural remedies that promote growth, enhance immunity, and prevent diseases without relying on synthetic antibiotics and chemical boosters. One such powerful plant is the bush cherry leaf. The scientific name is Hynemia aconodide, or local. It has local varieties also, and it has different colors. That time we used to pluck red, orange, and white. They are different varieties and different colors of the fruit, but the leaf is always green. Watch the video, you see the leaf and the fruit, how it is. This will help you to identify it in your own region. If you don't know it, go and ask the elderly ones in your community. They will tell you where the leaf is, where the tree is. You go and get it. It's always inside the bush. It's not close to the house area or environmental area. It is very close to the bush, and most parents that time use it in this local fence. They used to put in their local fence. It is a very wonderful plant. It is known for its medicinal benefit. Bush cherry leaf is widely used in different medicinal properties, and its antioxidant, antimicrobial, and growth stimulating properties enhances the growth and productivity of your poultry and livestock animals. When administered properly, it acts as natural alternative to commercial antibiotics, helping to cut costs, boost production, and at the same time reduce mortality rate in your poultry production. Then you now smile to your bank by making high profit. Let us discuss the top 12 medicinal benefits of bush cherry leaf in poultry and livestock. The health problems it can help you to prevent or cure in poultry and livestock business. The preparation method for both fresh and dried leaves, recommendation dosage and administration, and practical application to other areas of your. It is also helpful for human consumption. If you ask me on the comment section, I will also tell you how you can make use of it in boosting your own health as a poultry farmer. Here, you're not taking care of only the livestock animals, you are taking care of yourself with this particular plant. The stick itself is used as chewing stick also. It is a wonderful tree because everything about it, both the skin, the leaf, the fruit, are useful in poultry and livestock, even in human health also. Let me first give you 12 common relevant medicinal benefits of bush cherry leaf in poultry and livestock. First, let's start with the immune system booster. It is a wonderful immune system booster. It stimulates white blood cell activity and improves resistance to common diseases in poultry and livestock. Powerful antibacterial agent it has, because it fights against harmful bacteria like E. coli and others, also like Salmonella and others in poultry health. It acts as natural antiviral properties and antiviral agent because it reduces the impact of viral infections like Newcastle disease, avian influenza, and others when used early before the disease catches up with them. It improves feed conversion ratio. It enhances digestion and nutrient absorption, leading to faster weight gain in broilers and other poultry birds like layers also. Liver detoxification support. It flushes out toxins and supports liver health, especially when birds are under stress or recovering from any stress or transport stress. It acts as natural dewormer. It has a very powerful taste that worms doesn't even like at all because it contains phytochemicals that expels internal worms naturally, improving gut health and appetite. It acts as anti-inflammatory agent. It reduces internal inflammations caused by infections or injuries, promoting quicker recovery. Rich in antioxidants, which slows down oxidative stress, which helps prevent cellular damage in birds and livestock. Egg production enhancer. It improves egg size, yolk, color, and at the same time shell thickness in laying birds. Respiratory health support. It helps clear respiratory tracts and boosts breathing, especially during cold weather or in dusty environment or during brooding stress also. Wound healing properties. When used externally or orally, it supports wound healing and recovery from infections. Appetite and growth stimulant. It encourages feed intake, especially in sick and weak birds, aiding rapid weight gain. Most especially if you are into broiler farming and you want to get maximum weight of broilers, you make use of this particular leaf extract. What are the health issues it can help to prevent or cure? One is fowl cholera. Secondly, Newcastle disease. It can help to remedy it. Coccidiosis, infectious brucei, gomboro, respiratory tract infections, CROD, worm infestations, stress-related illness, diarrhea and bacterial arthritis, weak egg shell or drop egg problem in poultry production, toxin building up and liver dysfunctions, egg deformities, eye and wound infections like coryza and others, appetite loss in young birds or weak livestock animals. It helps enhance their production. How to prepare bush cherry leaf and extract for your poultry and livestock birds. 1. Gather 200 to 300 grams of this leaf. You can air dry it properly and grind it into powder. Mix it with your feed up to 5%, depending on the type of birds you are rearing. Let me know on the comment section the type of birds you have, and let me tell you directly what you can apply for them. Or you can gather 200 to 300 grams of it, wash it thoroughly. After washing, add 2 liters of water or 3 liters. Then blend it properly. After blending, use that water to extract the juice. Discard the waste and keep the juice in a very tight container. Don't allow flies to enter in it. Then use it for your poultry and livestock animals. There are other ways to prepare this also. You can as well boil it. Harvest fresh young bush cherry leaves. Avoid overaged ones, please. Those yellowish ones is not needed here, because those ones are not rich in the minerals and vitamins we need. Thoroughly rinse it or wash it to remove dirt with clean water. Chop the leaf into smaller pieces and, if possible, boil it in a very clean water with good fire for 30 minutes. When it gets cold, sieve the liquid and extract the water. Put it in a very clean container. Store it or refrigerate it if you want to make use of it for some longer time, 3 to 5 days. Then use it for your poultry birds. What are the dosage and administration? How to administer it to your poultry birds? For poultry, broilers, layers, cockerel, noiler, and others. During brooding stage, that is 3 weeks, day 1 to day 3 weeks. 5 ml per liter of drinking water 2 to 3 times daily for 1 week. Growers 4 to 7 weeks, 10 to 15 ml per liter of water 3 to 4 times is good. Finisher, that is they have grown before the market stage, 20 ml per liter of water 3 to 5 times is good for them in a week. You can still give it to them daily if you have it in abundance. For laying birds, 20 to 25 ml per liter of water 2 times weekly for improved laying rate and egg size and others. For livestock animals, goat, sheep, pig, cattle, and others. For goat and sheep, they are of the same size, 50 to 70 ml orally, once daily for treatment or twice weekly for prevention. The pigs, 100 to 150 ml. Mix it in their feed or in their water 2 to 3 times weekly. Cattle, 200 to 250 ml orally or mix it in their feed twice weekly for general health and productivity. Always start with lower doses and increase gradually as animals adapt, because some animals will not take this immediately you give it to them. Observe their tolerance and improve productivity before long-term integration. Bush cherry leaf is an effective and sustainable, affordable organic option for poultry and livestock health management. Its natural healing compounds, immune enhancing, also help you to grow your poultry best well. Make it a perfect alternative to antibiotics and chemical growth promoters. It will help you to reduce disease occurrence and enhance production naturally, to promote faster growth and better feed utilization. It also improve general health and reduces mortality in your poultry, support drug-free and at the same time organic farming system. Integrate this bush cherry leaf extract into your regular poultry and livestock management practices. You move one step closer to your more natural, resilient and profitable poultry farming system that will enhance your pocket and your account. Thank you for watching this video till now. Do you have any question regarding this topic? Do you have any contribution? Do you have a particular plant in your area? Let me know on the comment section. Which particular breed of bird do you want to apply it? Let me know, and at the same time let me guide you on the dosage applicable to that particular breed of bird. Thank you for watching this video. Share the video to reach more poultry farmers. And this is our feed booster. If you want to boost your chicken growth and productivity, this is what you make use of. This is a wonderful organic feed booster. It is a food itself. You can feed this directly to your poultry birds, but the nutrient is very high for them. They cannot convert it. So the best thing is for you to make use of it, to mix, dilute the feed, and to enhance the feed efficiency and feed nutrient. Our Eco Boy Booster liquid tonic is still available. We have it in stock. This is Eco Bio Booster for your maximum growth of your poultry, high weight, egg production, daily egg drop, jumbo eggs always, and 24/7 good health for your poultry. You will not spend any money on synthetic again. You will not buy any medication again. They are here. Just order for it today and get it tomorrow. It is here. This is only 55,000 naira for 5-liter container. 55,000 naira. You send money for your weight bill. We send it to your location. You get it the next day. Grow your broiler and poultry and livestock animals profitably with Eco Bio Booster. Organic tea, organic yogurt for your poultry and livestock animals. We are always here to send it to you. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel membership. Be a member of this particular channel. Help us to grow the channel and at the same time share the video to reach more poultry farmers. Thank you for watching till the next video is uploaded in the next channel. For now, till then I say bye.